This is a story of Angry Cat. Angry Cat and his friend Lieutenant Hairball built a spaceship out of empty tuna cans. Then they figured out math and they journeyed into outer space. They were the first great astronaut cats. They were relaxing in an orbit around the Meow Nebula when they heard a strange sound. They looked around the ship's control and found that the control clock was broken. It had a hairball stuck in it. Now, who do you think that belonged to? Lieutenant Hairball. He swallowed a lump in his throat, which was probably just another hairball. Instead of trying to fix the problem, Angry Cat got angrier and quickly lost his count. He started going a long canter chomp. Meanwhile, the spaceship began to crash. It fell back down to the earth like a shooting star in the night sky and crashed into a house. A doghouse. Uh-oh. Two dogs came out in their pajamas and they did not look very happy. They got Angry Cat's insurance information. The end. The moral of the story. It's okay to be angry. You can be angry and still be in control. Just take a few minutes to calm down, then find a solution to the problem.